which Mike will give you greater detail. Mike.
As Todd just showed you, our aim to innovate helps us connect with our homeowners. What it also allows us to do is stay ahead of market trends. One thing that's easy to notice within the industry is that it is starting to go green. But what's more important to us is that Texas is leading the way. Texas actually has more Energy Star qualified homes than the next 6 leading states combined, and the Dallas-Fort Worth area is second in the nation. The program that we'll be using is the NAHB National Green Building Standard. It allows us to score the home and increase its value in 6 key areas. Each of these areas provides specific benefits to the homeowners that they'll be able to recognize and appreciate. We start off by placing each home so that it utilizes solar benefits. We maximize our resources and minimize our waste by using prefabricated wall panels. Each home will also be provided with Energy Star appliances, a high-efficiency furnace, and a variety of water efficiency components. Homeowners will also benefit from improved indoor air quality as a result of proper venting and moisture management. And finally, just to make sure that each of our green homes is used properly, each homeowner will receive a detailed owner's manual. Another great advantage to NHB Green is that it affords us the opportunity to take part in other green building programs. Specifically speaking, each home will also be Energy Star and Greenbuilt Texas qualified. Energy Star is widely recognized, while Greenbuilt Texas was actually the 2008 National Green Building Program of the Year. And by being a part of it, we'll have the opportunity to list our homes on their registry. Ultimately, what this means is that each of our bronze certified homes will be 15% more efficient than that of an Energy Star home, making them 30% more efficient than a standard code-built home. And while we know this sounds great and it looks great, these green features, we also know that our homeowners are going to be more concerned with the green in their wallet, to be quite honest with you. And to make sure they understand this, we've done a simple comparison between a code-built home and one of our green homes. While there is a slight increase in sticker price, as you can see, due to product selection and green verification, those costs are mitigated when you consider monthly energy savings in water and energy, making the net cost of ownership of our green homes less than that of a code-built home. This is where we know our aim to go green will help make Magnolia Village very successful. Bryce will now explain how our innovation is continued through our estimate.
We know that in order for you to trust us in this project, our numbers have to be accurate. As we aim to make Magnolia Village profitable, we know that the numbers you have are accurate because we use an innovative estimating method as well as accounting for every cost. Once Todd drew the homes in Revit, we used the tools of Revit to gather the quantities we needed. The use of these tools decreased the chance of error as well as save time. Once we had the quantities, we used them to call subcontractors and suppliers locally in the Corsicana area to gather pricing information, instead of using the means manual, which can be inaccurate. The pricing information we have led to the total and square foot costs you see on the board. The average cost per home at Magnolia Village is $54, which takes into account we plan on selling more of the less expensive models. As we called the subcontractors and suppliers, we were certain to account for every cost. Green certification requirements, geotechnical requirements of post-tension concrete in all of our slabs, and other costs unique to the region were all included. We also accounted for inflation over time and accounted for an efficiency factor because as the project progresses, we will build our homes more efficiently over time. Through these steps, we've calculated a 0.5% chance of error in our estimate, which we've actually built into our model to account for any possible variances. We know that these steps have led to accurate costs and that you can be confident in the numbers you have. We also know you can be confident that we will manage Magnolia Village effectively, which Riley will now explain.